These are the elevators at 100 North Tampa in Tampa, Florida. Apparently there's an event happening on 41 today, so these might be kind of busy, but let's give them a ride and see what happens. We are at 41. Maybe it hasn't started yet. Okay. In that case, let's get a quick look. Alright, let's go back to lobby. I guess they're setting up for the event. It's later this evening. And we got elevator H coming. So these were Montgomery, installed in 1991. Then they got modernized by ThyssenKrupp in, I believe, 2018 or 19, if I'm not mistaken. So let's, whoa, these doors shut quick. Let's see if we can get another one. L. That was fast. And this one, the LCD screen doesn't work, so I guess we can watch this. It's not going to change much though, so let's just get our cab view now. So I guess like the Bank of America tower, the cabs on these are pretty tall. Probably at least, I don't know, 10 feet ceilings, if I had to say. Your certificate. Let's try the handicap mode.
Security access required. Press button when you hear desired floor, or press twice to cancel. Lobby. Going to the lobby. Please proceed to elevator H. First elevator to your right, front.
I think we had H going down last time, so we're gonna get it again. These are pretty nice elevators, and this is the tallest building in Tampa. So this one does have an arrow right here. So there's also another set of elevators that serves floors 16 through 28, and then levels 2 through 15, I believe, are parking floors, maybe 3 through 15. So there's another elevator that, weirdly enough, only goes up to 14, but I don't think there might not be a single, I was gonna say there might not be a single elevator in this building that serves 15. even the service elevator doesn't serve the parking floors. So normally I would just want to stick to the high-rise elevators and not bother with the lower ones, but I've filmed these before. Let's just do it one more time. So 28 was locked, so we're only going to 27. We are at 27. Here's your certificate. Just get a quick view, and we're gonna go back down to lobby on the same car. In this office, I don't know if you can see in there, but they have like a little spiral staircase that does go up to 28. So these did get a cab makeover fairly recently, like 2022 or 3 or something like that. It was after the mod. Alright. And I am going to film the parking elevators, but they're going to be a separate video. That'll be it.